program amid findings of Auditor General report. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, KPH launches investigation after patient falls from the third floor. And the JLP delegates in Northwest St. Elizabeth vote for a new caretaker candidate. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.